Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field that focuses on teaching machines to think, learn, and make decisions. Unlike traditional programming where every step is coded, AI allows machines to adapt and improve over time. You might already interact with AI daily. Voice assistants, smart recommendations, and even online searches use AI to make your experience smoother. But what does it really mean for a machine to learn? In this video, we'll explore how machines learn, the methods they use, and why it matters for our future. AI is already woven into the fabric of our everyday routines. From asking your phone for directions to getting movie recommendations, AI works behind the scenes to make things easier. It's not just about robots or futuristic gadgets. AI is present in apps, websites, and even smart home devices. These systems learn from your preferences and behaviors, adapting to serve you better. As we move forward, AI's role in daily life will only grow, making technology more personal and responsive. Core of AI is machine learning. Instead of following strict instructions, machines are exposed to data and learn patterns from it. Think of it like teaching a child. You show them many examples and they gradually understand what makes something unique. Machines use this approach to recognize objects, understand speech, and even predict outcomes. By learning from data, AI systems become smarter and more capable over time, adapting to new information and challenges. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them many pictures and they start to notice the features that make a cat a cat. Machines learn in a similar way. They're given lots of data and gradually pick up on patterns. This process helps AI systems identify objects, understand language, and even make decisions. The more data they see, the better they get at recognizing and responding to new situations. Machine learning is the foundation of AI, and it comes in several forms. The three main types are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each method has its own approach to teaching machines depending on the kind of data and the goals. Understanding these types helps us see how AI can solve different problems, from sorting emails to playing games or even driving cars. Supervised learning is like having a teacher guide the machine. The machine is trained using labeled data where each example comes with the correct answer. For instance, if you want a machine to recognize spam emails, you show it many emails labeled as spam or not spam. The machine studies these examples and learns to classify new emails on its own. This method is widely used in applications like image recognition, speech processing, and fraud detection. Let's look at a practical example: spam detection. In supervised learning, the machine is shown thousands of emails, each labeled as spam or not spam. By analyzing the words, sender information, and patterns, the machine learns to spot new spam emails. Over time, it becomes more accurate, helping keep your inbox clean. This approach is also used in other areas like sorting photos or identifying fraudulent transactions. Unsupervised learning is a bit different. Here, the machine is given data without any labels or answers. It must find patterns and relationships on its own. Imagine sorting puzzle pieces without knowing the final picture. The machine groups similar items together, discovers hidden structures, and helps uncover insights. This method is useful for clustering customers, finding trends, and exploring unknown data. Common use of unsupervised learning is grouping customers based on their buying behavior. The machine analyzes purchase history and finds groups of customers with similar habits. Businesses use this information to tailor marketing strategies and improve customer experience. Unsupervised learning helps reveal hidden connections and trends that might not be obvious at first glance. Reinforcement learning is based on trial and error. The machine interacts with its environment, receives rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Over time, it learns which actions lead to the best outcomes. This method is similar to training a pet, rewarding good behavior and discouraging mistakes. Reinforcement learning is used in robotics, game-playing AI, and even self-driving cars. Think of reinforcement learning like training a pet. When the pet does something good, you reward it. When it makes a mistake, you correct it. Machines learn in a similar way, adjusting their actions based on feedback. Over time, they discover the best strategies to achieve their goals. This approach helps AI systems master complex tasks, from playing chess to controlling robots. Reinforcement learning is especially powerful in robotics. Robots learn to navigate environments, pick up objects, and even interact with humans. By receiving rewards for successful actions and penalties for mistakes, robots become more skilled and adaptable. This method allows machines to handle unpredictable situations and improve their performance over time. Game-playing AI is another area where reinforcement learning shines. Machines learn to play games by trying different strategies, receiving rewards for winning, and learning from losses. This approach has led to AI systems that can beat human champions in chess, Go, and video games. The trial and error process helps AI discover creative solutions and master complex challenges. Neural networks are a key part of modern AI. Inspired by the human brain, these networks consist of layers of connected nodes that process information. When data passes through these layers, the network adjusts itself to improve accuracy. Neural networks are used for tasks like image recognition, language translation, and even driving cars. Their ability to learn from complex data makes them a powerful tool in AI. Neural networks are modeled after the human brain's structure. Each node acts like a neuron, processing information and passing it along. Layers of nodes work together to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. This design allows AI systems to handle complex tasks such as understanding speech or recognizing faces. The brain-inspired approach gives machines the ability to learn and adapt. When data enters a neural network, it passes through multiple layers. Each layer extracts features and refines the information. The network adjusts its connections based on feedback, improving its accuracy over time. This process is similar to how humans learn from experience, making mistakes, adjusting, and getting better. Neural networks are the backbone of many advanced AI applications. Deep learning is a powerful type of AI that uses large neural networks with many layers. These networks can learn from vast amounts of data, recognizing subtle patterns and making complex decisions. Deep learning powers technologies like self-driving cars, voice assistants, and advanced image recognition. Its ability to handle big data and solve tough problems makes it a game changer in AI. Deep learning networks have many layers, each responsible for extracting different features from the data. Early layers might detect simple shapes, while deeper layers recognize complex objects or patterns. This layered approach allows AI to understand images, sounds, and even language at a high level. The more layers, the more powerful the learning process becomes. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use deep learning to understand speech and respond to commands. These systems analyze your voice, recognize words, and interpret meaning. By learning from millions of conversations, they become better at understanding accents, slang, and context. Deep learning makes voice assistants smarter and more helpful every day. Recommendation systems use AI to suggest movies, products, or music based on your preferences. By analyzing your past choices and comparing them to others, AI predicts what you might like next. These systems learn from data, adapt to your tastes, and make personalized recommendations. Whether you're shopping online or streaming music, AI helps you discover new favorites. AI systems can recognize images by learning from thousands of examples. Neural networks analyze features like shapes, colors, and patterns to identify objects. This technology is used in everything from facial recognition to medical imaging. By learning from data, AI can spot details that humans might miss, making image recognition faster and more accurate. Language translation apps use AI to convert text and speech between languages. Neural networks learn from millions of sentences, understanding grammar, context, and meaning. This allows AI to provide accurate translations even for complex phrases. As AI continues to learn, language translation becomes more reliable and accessible to people around the world. Self-driving cars rely on AI to navigate roads, recognize obstacles, and make decisions. Deep learning networks process data from cameras, sensors, and maps to understand the environment. By learning from millions of miles of driving, AI systems become safer and more reliable. This technology is transforming transportation and paving the way for a future with smarter vehicles. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by analyzing medical data, diagnosing diseases, and recommending treatments. Neural networks learn from patient records, images, and test results to spot patterns and make predictions. This helps doctors provide better care and catch problems early. AI's ability to learn from vast amounts of data is making healthcare more efficient and accurate. Financial institutions use AI to detect fraud, manage investments, and predict market trends. Machine learning analyzes transaction data, spots unusual patterns, and helps prevent fraud. AI also assists in making investment decisions by learning from historical data and market movements. The financial world is becoming smarter and more secure thanks to AI. Marketers use AI to analyze customer data, predict trends, and personalize campaigns. Machine learning helps identify target audiences, optimize ads, and improve customer engagement. By learning from buying behavior and feedback, AI makes marketing more effective and efficient. Businesses can reach the right people with the right message thanks to AI. Entertainment platforms use AI to recommend shows, create music, and even generate art. Machine learning analyzes your preferences and suggests content you might enjoy. AI can also help artists compose music, write scripts, and design visuals. The creative world is being transformed by AI, making entertainment more interactive and personalized. AI is changing education by personalizing learning and helping teachers. Machine learning analyzes student performance, identifies strengths and weaknesses, and suggests tailored lessons. AI-powered tools provide instant feedback, making learning more engaging and effective. As AI continues to evolve, education will become more accessible and customized for each student. Security systems use AI to detect threats, monitor activity, and protect data. Machine learning analyzes patterns in network traffic, identifies suspicious behavior, and helps prevent cyber attacks. AI also assists in physical security, recognizing faces and monitoring access. The ability to learn from data makes AI a powerful tool for keeping people and information safe. Logistics companies use AI to optimize routes, manage inventory, and track shipments. Machine learning analyzes delivery data, predicts delays, and improves efficiency. AI helps businesses save time and money by making smarter decisions about transportation and supply chains. The logistics industry is becoming more responsive and reliable thanks to AI. Farmers use AI to monitor crops, predict yields, and manage resources. Machine learning analyzes weather data, soil conditions, and plant health to improve farming practices. AI-powered tools help farmers make better decisions, increase productivity, and reduce waste. Agriculture is becoming smarter and more sustainable with the help of AI. Real estate companies use AI to analyze property data, predict prices, and match buyers with homes. Machine learning helps identify trends in the housing market and recommend properties based on preferences. AI streamlines the buying and selling process, making real estate more efficient and accessible. Manufacturers use AI to monitor production, detect defects, and optimize processes. Machine learning analyzes sensor data, predicts maintenance needs, and improves quality control. AI helps factories run more smoothly, reduce downtime, and produce better products. The manufacturing industry is being transformed by AI-driven innovation. Customer service teams use AI to answer questions, resolve issues, and personalize support. Machine learning analyzes customer interactions, predicts needs, and suggests solutions. AI-powered chatbots provide instant help, making customer service faster and more efficient. Businesses can deliver better experiences with the help of AI. Social media platforms use AI to recommend content, detect fake news, and analyze trends. Machine learning studies user behavior, identifies popular topics, and helps keep platforms safe. AI also assists in moderating comments and filtering harmful content. Social media is becoming more engaging and secure thanks to AI. Environmental scientists use AI to monitor ecosystems, predict climate changes, and manage resources. Machine learning analyzes data from sensors, satellites, and weather stations to understand environmental trends. AI helps protect nature, improve sustainability, and address global challenges like pollution and conservation. Sports teams use AI to analyze performance, predict outcomes, and improve training. Machine learning studies player statistics, game footage, and injury data to optimize strategies. AI helps coaches make better decisions, enhance player development, and increase chances of winning. The sports world is becoming more data-driven with AI. Artists use AI to generate images, compose music, and write stories. Machine learning analyzes artistic styles, learns from examples, and creates new works. AI-powered tools help artists explore new ideas and push creative boundaries. The world of art is being enriched by AI's ability to learn and innovate. Scientists use AI to analyze research data, simulate experiments, and discover new insights. Machine learning helps process complex information, identify patterns, and accelerate discoveries. AI is advancing fields like biology, chemistry, and physics, making science more efficient and innovative. AI improves communication by translating languages, analyzing conversations, and personalizing messages. Machine learning studies speech patterns, understands context, and helps people connect. AI-powered tools make communication faster, clearer, and more accessible, bridging gaps between cultures and languages. Transportation systems use AI to optimize routes, manage traffic, and improve safety. Machine learning analyzes data from vehicles, sensors, and maps to make smarter decisions. AI helps reduce congestion, prevent accidents, and make travel more efficient. The future of transportation is being shaped by AI-driven innovation. Smart homes use AI to control lighting, temperature, and security. Machine learning analyzes your habits and preferences, making your home more comfortable and efficient. AI-powered devices respond to voice commands, automate routines, and help save energy. Home automation is becoming smarter and more convenient with AI. Retailers use AI to manage inventory, predict demand, and personalize shopping experiences. Machine learning analyzes sales data, customer preferences, and market trends to optimize operations. AI helps stores run more efficiently, improve customer satisfaction, and boost sales. The retail industry is being transformed by AI. AI personalizes experiences by learning from your behavior and preferences. Machine learning adapts recommendations, customizes content, and makes technology more responsive. Whether you're watching movies, shopping, or learning online, AI tailors the experience to fit your needs. Personalization is one of AI's most powerful benefits. AI is rapidly evolving with new breakthroughs happening every day. As machines learn more, they become smarter, more capable, and more integrated into our lives. The future holds exciting possibilities, from smarter cities to advanced healthcare and beyond. Understanding how machines learn helps us appreciate the power and potential of AI. As we continue to innovate, AI will shape the world in ways we can only imagine.